Welcome to SharePlant Rentals. In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how to set up your shipping. Select the dashboard from the drop-down menu in the top right. Once in your dashboard, select the Shop tab and select Shipping Options. There will already be a standard shipping tab there as default. If you would like to change the name, click the Edit button and change it in both fields. You can select different zones throughout the UK as shown here. Now this section is to create the different types of shipping you would like, such as standard, next day, etc. You then set up the remaining details such as cost and distance in your product inventory. You will find the shipping fields at the bottom of your inventory form. Here, you can decide if your shipping is based on distance, or tick the box to enable flat delivery charges. You can tick the other box to multiply delivery cost by quantity. Our shipping system is route-based, which means it's price per mile. This is, unless you choose the flat delivery fee, then it will be a fixed charge. You can then continue to select which shipping option you have created. Then state your base delivery distance in miles, your cost, your charge per extra mile beyond the base distance, and the shipping duration in days. You have now completed your shipping options setup. For more guidance and next steps, please visit our website or YouTube channel.